Did you know that PowerShell has a package manager that you can use to install modules that you can use with our functionality to PowerShell? For example, we are aware that there is a NuGet package manager and we are aware of there is a chocolatey package manager. So let's take a look at the difference. So PowerShell package manager is called PowerShell Gallery. So here you can see the PowerShell Gallery, and this is how you use the install module command. And this is used for PowerShell scripts and modules. So yes, but it can't be used for NuGet packages. It can't be used to install software using chocolatey. For .NET libraries, you use the NuGet package manager. Here, chocolatey, again, you cannot use it to install .NET libraries, but chocolatey can be used to install software and apps on Windows. And this is what the PowerShell Gallery package manager looks like. So we are here on the main website, and on here you can see the search box and you can see the packages. So if you go here, you can see all the packages that are available. You can filter by script, by the operating system, or by the category. If I go back at home and if we search for Excel, for example, you can see the following modules, and some of them you can see some are modules and some will be scripts. So here, this is a script. So this is the handy function to creating a temporary block. You can see here different packages that people have released. So this is a popular one, but 11 million downloads is called Import Excel. It's a module to import Excel spreadsheets without Excel. So you don't need to have Microsoft Excel installed for this package to work. So here, you can go here and find out more details, such as who the author is, the different versions. So this one was released 5 months ago, and you can go into the project website. So here, it will take you to the GitHub page, and then you can find out more how it works and so on. Then there are 100 examples here on how to use it. And here, the quick example on how to use it and how to export data from PowerShell. But it's there the PowerShell variable here, and we're just exporting that out into Excel. Now, this runs without installing Microsoft Excel. So this is the main website. You can, of course, if you wanted to download this manually, then you can click on manual download and download it. But a better way is here the command that you can copy and store module name import Excel. So we'll now just go back to our coding window in Visual Studio Code, and let's have a look at this. So here, you don't have to use the website. You can just use find module command here. And if I run this, and you can see that after a short while it's loading, and we will now get the output here. So you can see all the different modules, and you can see one of them is called import Excel. This is the repository. So we're going to get from this package manager PS Gallery, and this is a small description about it. And you can see all the modules that are currently installed on the system. So if I run this command, and you can see all the packages that are installed. So here we have modules that are installed here. So this is within the VS Code directory, but there are other modules here which are installed in this directory here, System32. And of course, there are more here which are installed within C program files, Windows PowerShell. So here you have more modules installed and stuff like Azure and so on. So these are the default modules that you can install. So you can check if what module is available installed locally. So by running this command, so just check are any modules that are installed for Excel. If I run this, and as you can see, we don't get anything back. So there's no package available that is for Excel. And we can install that, and we can add scope current user. So this will install the module just for the current user. You don't need administration rights in order to do this. So because it will install it in your user profile. So if I run this, and it will come up with a message to say you're installing this. Do you trust the source? So we got to say yes. So if I type yes, YM here and press enter, and you can see it's installing the package. So it's installed the package there. And now if we list the module, and you can see here the import module is installed. This is the version that's installed, and you can see where it's installed. So it's installed in the user profile here. So you don't need administration rights for this, and you can uninstall the module by simply running this command, and you can see that it will now remove that module that's loading. And there you go. It's now uninstalled. So if we search for it again, and you'll find that it's no longer available and it's no longer installed. So again, to install it, you just run this, and it will just ask to confirm, and you just say yes, and it's installed. And now if we list the available modules, you can see that we now have right at the top of this, we have within this directory the Excel module installed. So this is the user directory. So I hope this makes sense. So the package manager PowerShell Gallery is used for PowerShell scripts and modules that is similar to NuGet package manager, chocolatey, or the package managers you have for Python or Java, NPM, and so on. So just remember these commands: find module, get module, install module, and uninstall module.